Reconnecting with nature is like resetting your brain. Silence and solitude are more and more viewed as dead and unproductive time. Being alone makes many people uncomfortable and anxious. In fact, it has been scientifically proven that when you are in nature, your brain behaves differently. Being connected with nature result in some amazing changes inside your head, which begin to calm you and soothe your nerves. Time alone in nature has valuable additional benefits. Being alone in nature provides time and space for all of us to step back and reflect on our lives. That solitude in nature offers an opportunity for us to clarify our thoughts, hopes, dreams, and desires.